In this video, I'll walk you through how to deposit crypto using the Binance app. First, open your Binance app and log into your account. On the main screen, tap Deposit. Next, choose Deposit Crypto. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, BNB. You'll then see a list of available networks for depositing your chosen coin. Make sure you pick the correct network. It must match the network of the platform you're withdrawing from. If the network doesn't match, your funds could be lost and can't be recovered. So always double check before proceeding. Once you've chosen the network, you'll see a QR code and a deposit address. You can copy the address and paste it into the withdrawal field on the other platform. Or, if you prefer, tap Save and Share Address to save the QR code and import it directly. You can also decide where you want the deposit to go. Tap More Details, then select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet depending on your preference. After confirming your deposit request, your transaction will begin processing. The time it takes depends on the blockchain network and its current traffic. Once the transfer is confirmed, your funds will appear in your Binance account. Ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully deposited crypto into your Binance app.